In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk clone Jira issues with ease and efficiency using the most comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're managing a large project or juggling multiple tasks, knowing how to clone issues in bulk can save you a tremendous amount of time and effort. So let's dive right in and get started. First, navigate to the left panel of your Jira interface. Here you'll want to click on Apps. This is where you'll have access to a variety of tools that can enhance your Jira experience. Once you're in the Apps section, look for Explore More Apps. Selecting this option will lead you to the marketplace where additional functionalities for Jira can be found. Within this marketplace, we'll use the search bar to look for Deep Clone for Jira. This powerful app is specifically designed to streamline the process of duplicating multiple issues at once. Now, once you've found Deep Clone for Jira in the search results, click on it and then hit Try it for free. Starting this trial will allow us to explore its features without any immediate commitment. After the app has been successfully installed, you can find Deep Clone in your apps list. Launch the application and it's time to choose the bulk clone option. When you do this, you'll be prompted to select a project to use as your source. This means you're picking the project from which the issues will be cloned. After that, choose the target project where you want these newly cloned issues to reside. This could be a different project entirely or the same project depending on your specific needs. Next, click on Fetch Issues. This action will gather all the issues from your source project so you can decide which ones to clone. Keep in mind that depending on the number of issues, this fetching process may take a bit of time, so patience is key here. Once your issues are successfully fetched, it's time to define exactly which fields you wish to clone. This step allows you to tailor the cloning process to suit your needs, whether that means duplicating everything or just certain aspects of each issue. After defining the fields, you'll need to make a decision. Would you prefer to confirm each cloned issue manually, or should all clones be created immediately in one go? Each option has its advantages depending on how precise you need the operation to be. Once you've made your choice, you're all set to click Start Bulk Clone. With everything configured, the cloning process will begin, and it might take a while to complete, especially for larger sets of data. So there you have it, the entire process of bulk cloning issues in Jira. This method empowers you to efficiently manage your projects, saving you time and bringing greater precision to your workflow.